What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some easy breakfast quesadillas using the Tik Tok tortilla method, sir. So, let's go ahead and dive right in. That's right, buddy. The breakfast quesadilla using that old Tik Tok method. I don't know if you've seen it or not, but it's all the craze nowadays on that thing where the kids like to get on there and dance and do their thing. So, what they do, and I'll show you what I'm talking about, because this is a great meal right here. Because, like I say, it's very easy, baby. Not a lot to it, and you know it's perfect because it's right after Christmas. You're tired of cooking. You don't want to mess with this shit. But you may have some leftovers that you can use in this thing right here, and I'll show you what I'm talking about right now, sir. So, let's go ahead and take this tortilla, and I want you to line it up right in the middle, and slide it right down and cut half of the half in half. See what I'm talking about there, sir? That's going to help us fold, baby. Going to help us roll it up like old Be Real from Cypress Hill. Now, let's go ahead and start off with the ham, because it's going to be good. Now, we're going to take this ham, and like I said, you may have some ham left over for that Christmas dinner. You can use that, but today I'm just using some old sliced ham. Now, if you want to, you can even get some lunch meat and do this shit. Make it real easy, sir. Yes. So you put your ham on there just like that. And next we're going to grab that bacon. Because you didn't think we were going to have breakfast without bacon, did you, buddy? No. Got to have that. Got to have that smorgasbord that old Templeton the Rat was singing about, son. So we've got the ham. We've got the bacon. Let's put a little egg on there. And now these eggs, these are just some hard-boiled eggs that I've crushed up. Like I say, you may have made a pea salad or something yesterday, and may have some left over. But of course, you can always scramble your eggs, or you can fry an egg, whatever you want to do. Just make sure that there are some huevos on there, sir. So, like old George Lopez would tell you. Now, we are going to put that there. And last but not least, let's add a little cheese to the plate, sir. Today we're using Velveeta shredded cheddar, but you can use any kind of cheese that you want, just as long as it is shredded. So, it's going to give us that good texture, that good flavor. So, let's go ahead and fold, baby. Take that one end and fold up. And you want to try to line them up real good so that they're beautiful. And fold that other side over and then fold the other side down. Now, we've got all of our folds folded. Let's go ahead and go grab our skillet, and we're going to put a little oil in there. Not too much, not too much. I'll show you what I'm talking about. And we'll go ahead and get these fried, and we'll be ready to eat. And I can't wait because I'm starving to death. So, let's go. Alright, baby, we're back. And we've got our pan hot like Buster Poindexter. So, I went ahead and put a little oil on the bottom of mine. That's just kind of to help it not stick, because you don't want that thing to stick and get all burnt and nasty. We want that good. So, we put the oil in there, and we've got it hot. And now we're going to go ahead and put our quesadilla right on there on top. So, pick up the quesadilla and be careful because shit's going to try to fall off the side on you. And if it does, hell with it, baby, just let it go. You didn't need it anyway. So, let's put these in there. And we're going to let them sit. And you know what? If you want to, you can take a lid over here and kind of put it on top to help it steam like I'm going to do. That way we get it good and cheesy, but not, crusty and nasty. So, we let those go a while. And then we're going to flip. And like I say, not going to take very long, baby. You'll go ahead and get that old spatula, boy, and you'll be doing flips like you was in the Olympics. And then, once it's all done and said and done, and we can get to the done what we've done came to do, we can go ahead and take these and put them over our cutting board and let them rest for a little bit. Then we're going to cut them in half and have us a good old stare at them because they are beautiful, baby. And then we're going to have a big old bite of these breakfast quesadillas this morning, buddy. Whoa! Alright, baby, the time has come. The breakfast quesadilla is done. And I'm having that first bite for me. So, let's go ahead and pick this bad dude up and get into it. Now, before I do, I want a little heat on mine. And when I want that sweet heat, I've got to reach for a bottle of Weary's Original Pepper Sauce. This is made with the finest Guyanese Weir pepper. and it's good stuff. I'm going to put a link to this down in my bio. Y'all make sure and grab you a bottle or two of this sweet, 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 because it's good. So, let's crack the top on that and give us a little dribble. Ooh, yeah. That's what I like to see. Now we've got the spice, we've got the nice. Let's not mess around and say it twice. Let's just have a bite. Whoa, boy, boy. That's good. That's everything that you want for breakfast. In a nice little handheld pouch there, sir. That's a real hot pocket that you can savor the flavor on, sir. Yeah! Woo! And that lyrics. That stuff will get you in the best way. So, I want to thank y'all for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy your breakfast and have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time, baby. Yeah.